Nowadays, I think there's a lot of challenges. Even when we are going ahead, we have a huge amount of technology available. There are challenges. The challenges are more related, I think, to how many people there's on the world and what can we do in order to manage climate change, in order to manage shortages, in order to manage all kinds of things that are happening and that you've seen happening over the last couple of years, including COVID. I think challenges would be related to what can you do with less material, what can you do with less effort, what can you do with higher efficiency, still achieving more than what we achieve now. And that's a huge challenge. But it also deals with if you do more with less, it means that refrigeration has to broaden its scope. And if we are going to have more cars, we want less cars. If we want to have more buildings and more people, we actually need better buildings, or at least more efficient buildings. That means refrigeration needs to have a much bigger stake in the design of buildings. Can we deal with a certain design where only half or 1/3 of the amount that we, in a, say, business as usual building would use, would be needed? That means that is the challenge overall, in which efficiency fits. So I'm not doing it in parallel. Yes, it's making yourself part of when you construct a building, construct a car and so forth, where refrigeration or air conditioning or heat pumps or anything related to ventilation and control of the atmosphere fits into. And that goes as far as when you design a building to work together with architects and so forth, that they are more or less also part of the technology and not just constructing a building that is concerning the concept and the customer, the building that they're going to build.